Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to talk about texture segmentation using Matlab. So let us make us an interesting session, and in this video we are going to see one example about texture segmentation, plus the theory and what are the process we need to follow to achieve texture segmentation in a picture. So let's get started. I'll start with the theory part about texture segmentation. So here I have created a document about texture segmentation using texture filters, and this documentation will be available for your reference and the link will be provided in the description. Please hit a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be providing more learning videos in Matlab and other project areas. So starting with we have this example copy command. You can copy the code. Even the code example will be provided in the comment section or in description. Please you can check that. So first thing which we have to do is we need to read a image. So starting with the code, we need to read a image, and this is the procedure in Matlab. Then we can use ImShow command. It will show the image in figure window. Then we can give it as title, and if we have axis we can give Y label and X label. With that we need to create a texture image, and for that we have to use Entropy Field. The entire concept which we have here is entropy related, and for that we have a function in Matlab called Entropy Field that we have to make use of it. Then to create a texture image, the function entropy field returns an array which are the output pixel contains entropy value of 9 by 9. So when we use entropy field function on an image, that here you can see E equals entropy field of I. So when we use this, we get a entropy image with the entropy value in 9 by 9. So we are taking S and we are filling it with I, the image values, and the row side it will be ones of 9, and the same thing we are filling it with the range field and the I values and ones as 9. So with this we need to use rescale to texture images, that is E and S, whichever we had here, so that pixel values are in the range of 0 to 1. So here we had different values, so to constrain it to 0 to 1 we are using this rescale function. So rescale will give all the values in the pixel in between 0 to 1. Okay, then we can display all the images which we have. So montage, size, and all this. Montage is nothing but we are like mounting one picture on another. After that the size, all the background color, white, border size, everything. Then text title, we are giving texture images showing local entropy, standard deviation, and local range. So with this, if you see, there are total 3 pictures displayed, and these are like we have obtained different texturized images with the original image which we had. Now if we need a bottom texture or the upward texture, we can create that using Matlab, and for that we just have to use like simple im is nothing but our first entropy, and we have im is this standard field is nothing but a standard deviation, and we have r is nothing but local range image. Then while creating a bottom texture you can use entropy, then like what we did normally here. Then we can use IM binarize EAM, which is our first entropy field image. We can use that binarize to 0 to 8, and we can see like black and white image showing up. So here we are setting a threshold for the texture image. Then we can see like we can use black and white area open command, and we can give the value here. So when we do and when we show the image, so this will do the segmentation. Here you can see the difference between the left image and the right image. So wherever the threshold was high, that is the black part was high, so the entire image is converted into black. So that is what black and white area open command does. Then how to close it? When we are closing it, we will get the same thing on the whiter side. So when we open it, we get the black side, and when we close it, we get a white side. So here even then you see like the small blacks are there. So for that actually it is depending upon the pixel. Then if we need a clear picture, so here you saw like we got a good result for black, but our white result there was some noise. To achieve that, we can fill the holes with the black like white color. Wherever we found holes, that we use that. Then we can use this mark to segment textures. So our whole ideology was, whichever the first image we saw, here we can see there are difference between this black and white dotted. So we wanted to segment this texture. So for that our output should be this upward image should be different and the downward image should be different. That was our end goal. So with that we tried to change different textures. We went with threshold texture image, we went with upper area segmentation, then lower area segmentation. In lower area we found some noise, for that we filled it with the holes. Then now we want to segment the picture. For that we took this original image, then we did masking up as 0, then we use bottom as original image, then not mask. So whichever mask we are using, if we invert that mask, we will get the other part of it. So for that we did the montage. Montage is nothing but overlapping two images. After that we showed the output. So the from original image, if we use this inverted mask, on the left side you can see the mask, right? So if we use the inverted, we get the top part, and if we use the inverted once again, then we get the bottom part. So this is how we solve the segmentation. And if we want to display it with different colors, then we can use mask +1. I am show label overlay command. So this will give different colors for different output. Here you can see how it is been given. Now if you want to draw the boundary without this highlighting colors, if you see like yellow and blue, the images are not clear. Instead of that, we can just draw a boundary, and for that we can use BW parim, that is nothing but black and white parameters. So it will mask all the boundaries. If you see here, yeah, it is drawn whichever the output boundary we were expecting. So this was whole. And talking about the demo, so we have consolidated the entire project, and for this demo I have taken the different image. So here we will have number of doctors. So for that we are doing up and low level masking. So if you run the project, you will get total 2 images. If you see subplot 1 to 1 and subplot 1 to 2. So let's see the output. So this was our original image, and if we try to texturize, so the skin and the clothes, these two are different entities and both have different textures. So if you see on the lower part, all the faces and skins are taken, but on the upper part all the clothes and background which are in different textures are detected. So this is a basic part, and you can add this feature into our Matlab image processing QE mode. So you can increase that project to a high level so that you can produce that example as your final year project. Thank you. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.